I'm gonna pull my daddy in. You guys are having fattest lawsuits. You have been nothing but rude as talk to your friend, buddy. Well, I'm gonna go home at this point because like she's just being a.
You never know what you're going to hear come out of somebody's mouth at a DUI crash scene, but telling officers her daddy was going to get her out of it, that was just the beginning. Credit on this one goes to real body cams.
We might have 3 in ours.
Okay. Who's actually involved in the crash itself?
One person, they're being assisted by the firefighters.
So if you guys don't mind, I'll talk to you in a second. I'm just going to see if we
I'll be
can talk to all of
inside.
them.
You can smell it on. I'll be inside.
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you.
Separate the witnesses, sure.
She is over there.
She is.
Hasn't been in a car for over an hour, wants us to prove that she was in an accident. She told, I guess, everyone here that she had like a back pain. Now she's saying she's fine. She's yelling at me to have to.
She's very. Is this your car?
They're always fine.
Do we know if this was involved?
Yeah, she's in the car. Can you tell me your last name? You don't want to go down to the hospital with us, last name?
It's not that deep, dude. Like, I'm not trying to be an ass.
I'm just asking you a question. If you don't want to go, all I need you to do is sign these papers.
I don't understand why you're being like really rude to me, bro. Like,
If you don't want, I got an ambulance here.
I don't like.
He's literally asking her if she wants to go to the hospital or if she doesn't. And just saying, if you don't want to go, you don't have to. You just got to sign a paper. And right off the bat, she's saying, I don't understand why you're being so rude to me. When somebody's on the offensive like that, you know it's going to be an interesting call.
I just need you to sign this paper. Say that you don't want to go down to the hospital.
It's not that deep, dude. Like, I'm not trying to be a
If it's not that deep, you should have no problem signing this paper.
I don't have a problem, but like, you're like chatting with my friends with Sin.
You're the
You're
only
talk-
person we talked to. They paid it.
Hi.
Can you talk to me? Is
Yes.
that
So I'm not trying to be but you're little. I'm not even trying to be any type of way, but like my friends, everyone hangs out in EGAD, and he acts that way. And he's like, oh, I'm trying to pull you over for 8 different types of DUIs. And I'm like, I have never tried to ever drive my car out.
okay? So were you driving just now?
No,
No. How did you get over here?
I didn't. I was sitting over here drinking with my friends. Like,
You've been here?
How did you get over here? I didn't.
I've been here. That's my thing. Like, I'm not trying to be a bitch, but like that's kind of weird.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you?
I do. You can pull it. I'm 25 years old.
Did you notice that every time she's not trying to be something, she's actually being something?
Do you want to grab it for me?
Sure. I'm gonna go pull it out of my car if that's okay.
So where's your car at?
It's around the corner because I didn't drive because I'm not
I'm
irresponsible.
just asking where it is.
Okay, it's around the corner because I didn't drive because I'm not irresponsible.
What did you
So it's around the Volkswagen's house. But I don't drive because I'm not irresponsible with.
So the scenario is though, I can smell it in your breath. Because you've been drinking, right?
But I was never driving.
So there are plenty of people who said they're a witness to safety in the car. That's the only issue that we didn't have.
I never drove, so I'm kind of confused though on that one.
But I'm just telling you.
You're confused on
I'm
that
just
one.
telling you what you guys are gonna do. We can go to court, and I was never driving because I don't drive. I would never do that. Like, if you see this, like I'm like, oh, I'm not driving. I wasn't bullshitting that shit. Like,
What's your last name?
for what?
You're involved in a crash. You're
But I didn't
required
crash.
to give me your license.
But
And if not,
I-
we can just go to the jail for resistance. That's where we're at.
But I didn't crash anything.
You can tell me.
Ask him.
This is going downhill very fast. Most people watch body cam footage and see a confrontation. After nearly 30 years in investigation, I see something totally different. And if you want that second layer, subscribe. That's what this channel is built on.
Did I crash my car? No. So. No, pass it along. Did I crash? Did I crash my car? No, like. I'm not trying to be a bitch, but like in a crash bullshit, I understand what you guys are saying, and I get it, 1,000% crash-wise, but I've never ever touched my car, and I've ever been drinking at Uber home. So that's a funny haha of like, can you pull a tab of when I've been drinking so I can give it to her? She's asking. Can you ask her? She's asking for it. No, because you guys have no jack shit about. No, this is Melbourne police officers have nothing about. I'm not trying to be a
Do you mind
She's not trying to be.
signing that she refused to sign?
100%. That's what we're doing.
Perfect.
I'm gonna pull my daddy in. You guys are gonna have the fattest lawsuit. Have fun.
Oh.
But I'm not, I don't feel like I don't want to be it like
Sound
that.
lawyer being like it, so.
You quoted though more than anything, dude.
I was just trying to check you out, make sure you're medically okay. I don't care about anything else.
Kaden, come here. You gotta stay here, unfortunately, just because of what our concern is. So obviously you're under the influence of alcohol. You can do FSTs, which are like tests to see if you're okay.
I am 20.
So if you don't want to do that, it's fine. I'm giving you the option.
I am 25 years old.
That has nothing to do with your law. Do you want to do FSTs or not?
For what? I'm
That has nothing to do with it.
not trying to be a bitch, but like
So here's the deal.
I'm not trying to be a bitch,
Okay,
but like
listen to me. Here's
I'm
the
not.
deal.
I'm not trying to be a
Obviously
bitch.
there was a crash, right? We have finished our crash investigation, and now we are moving into a DUI investigation. Okay. So that being said, I have to read you something before we continue to ask you any questions. Okay. This doesn't mean you're going to jail. It's just something that I have to read you before we keep asking you questions. Okay.
Okay.
Before you ask any questions, you must understand your rights. You have
I'm
the right
just
to remain
really
silent.
confused because like, can you listen?
Well, if you
to
stop
me for a
talking and listen to me, you'll be less confused.
Exactly. If you just shut up for a second, you won't be as confused. That's what I always wanted to tell people, but I couldn't. She is pretty entitled, a 25-year-old. And I don't know what her work history is, but she claims that the cops there don't know the D word. It's about to change, though.
You have the right
Can
to
you
remain
be like
silent.
nice?
Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. Okay, does that all make sense?
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
see what I did
So
wrong.
having these rights in mind, are you willing
Except
to...
for her being a bitch the entire
Hold
conversation.
on. So having these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to us?
I haven't done anything.
Okay. So you're okay with talking to us right now, right? And explaining what happened?
Explain when.
Okay, so...
The only time I ever said I talked to, it happened a couple years ago. It was like,
If you need something,
Yeah.
you can...
Aiden, can I get your birthday and a refusal? Just real quick. It just says that we cannot.
no, honestly, no.
We'll sign for it.
If it said this and this and this and this and this,
Okay.
no.
Have you been drinking at all today?
No. But like if it
You just told
said,
me that you did. That you
No.
were drinking today.
you're being, okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you. You have been nothing but rude as
Are you willing to perform some field sobriety
She's been
exercises
nice.
Thank God for those body cams.
nice. You have been nothing but not
Okay,
nice.
well then talk to me because I'm being nice. Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises for us?
I'm not trying to be a bitch, but like,
You don't have to do them with me. You can do them with him.
talk to your friend, buddy.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises for us?
Well, I'm gonna go home at this point because like she's
Do we
just
have
being
a
a.
witness?
Yes, as far as I see, I don't.
No, so I'm like, you're being a bitch. You're being a bitch, and I'm like, I haven't done anything. I've come out. I've hung out. I've placed every field sobriety test you wanted. I was hanging out with my friends, and you played friends with my friends. And you
Want to
played
get a
you
statement for him real quick? Okay.
you played the friends with my friends to get tests out of me, which is kind of on your end.
On my end?
Well, you got a test out of my friends. Is that not what you wanted?
I've never met you before.
In her drunken state, she thinks she's playing chess.
Any of you guys see it?
Alright, so this is
So you
what
saw.
I'm the one that called you guys before the accident. I was at the red light over the bridge, and it was like 5 seconds I'm at the red light, and the cars are about to turn to South Patrick, and all of a sudden, like 110 miles an hour, almost a collision.
I saw her in the windshield and her eyes were like rolling up. She was
So she was in the car.
She was in the
You saw her
car.
in the car.
Yes.
Just raise your right hand for me. Do you swear what you just told me is the truth? Which seemed like your witness.
So they now have what we call a wheel witness. That's somebody who swore and affirmed to tell the truth, and they saw her driving the car. That's it. She's done. She can play all these games that she wants. There's 2 witnesses that have put her behind the wheel, driving recklessly, and you pair that with the alcohol she's consumed and the way she's acting, the belligerent attitude, things are going to change for her.
Going back to my original question, have you had anything to drink today?
I had 2 drinks.
Okay. How long ago was that?
6 hours.
6 hours ago? Okay, where did you have those drinks at?
At Goombase.
At where?
Goombase. That was
Everyone's only had 2 drinks, except for Catwoman from a few weeks back. She only had half a beer.
all I had.
Okay, what'd you have to drink there?
Had a neutral and another neutral.
Okay, 2 neutrals. And I was like,
God
6 hours
forbid I
ago.
have a drink.
I got you. You're 25 years old. You're more than it's
25.
fine.
God
You're allowed to
forbid
have a drink. That's fine. Where
No, I can't have a drink.
were
God
you
forbid
coming?
my
Were you
friends.
coming from there when this happened?
I wasn't driving, dude. I was sitting there. I wasn't moving.
Okay, I got you.
I was in Malibu. Like, that was like my whole I'm not moving, and you're
Where's your car at right now?
over there because I didn't drive. Because your friends would threaten me with if I drive, that was bad for me.
Okay.
And that was like, those are your friends. Where so like, if I drive, that's a bad no.
Over the bridge, she's flying and comes super close to hitting my car. And then at the last second kind of moves over, just misses my car. And then there's a white car right in front of me, and then I don't remember what kind of car it was.
Multiple witnesses.
Comes up, slams on the brake, like super close to hitting that white car, splits those two cars, then just heads straight into right where it starts to curve, bounces off of that, and then after she bounced off of that, the car just went out of the way, and I couldn't really see where it went from there.
How did the car end up like hitting the wall?
That's not my car.
Whose car is it? Okay, where's
It's over there.
Okay, was she driving? And she's the one that hit the wall? Okay, so if we talk to somebody else who says that they saw you driving, they're lying to us or what?
No.
They're not
If I
lying?
were to be driving, I would admit to it. Like, if that were my car, that's my car.
Okay.
That's
I
not your car,
wouldn't
though,
lie
huh?
about it. Like, why would I do that?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm not trying to be a but like, why would I lie?
Maybe it's all the naturals.
It's not
Are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises for us?
but how is that fair to me?
What do you mean?
When
fair?
those are your friends.
When who's my friends?
When all the little sobriety partners are your friends.
Give me 1 second, okay?
You're
So
good.
we do have a wheel witness saying she was driving?
Yep, we have a willingness, and on top of that, so she, I guess, was there, and then took off, so it was a hit her, and then crashed up here.
Oh, cool. Okay. Are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises for us? It's just a yes or a no.
I don't like it in a sobriety test type of way.
Okay. So is that a no?
I mean, in a respectful like test type of way.
You're allowed to say no.
I mean, is there a written test I can take, maybe, or a multiple choice?
If you want to say no, you can say no.
I just don't like the way of it being said, if that makes sense.
Okay. So again, is that a yes
No.
or a no?
No, I guess, from the way it was being asked.
Okay. We're going to put your hands behind your back for me. Do not tense
Don't
up.
tense up. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna make it worse. Do not tense up.
So right now you're being placed under arrest.
So
for
can
DUI.
wait.
Stop. I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
not resisting,
Stop.
but
You are
I'm
resisting.
calling. No,
You're
I'm calling.
actively resisting.
You need to
Stop.
I'm calling my attorney
That's more than fine.
because that's worse.
You need to stop resisting.
No, I'm calling my attorney because it's worse.
You're going to get charged.
No, you
right now.
Stop yoking me like that. That's not okay. And I'm gonna call my. No, you don't pull me like that.
What's her name?
No. F you, no.
Katie, listen.
No, that's not my
Katie,
name. No,
Katie.
that's not my name.
What is your name?
No,
Katie,
you don't.
listen.
No.
Just listen for 2 seconds.
No,
You're making it worse.
you want to make me work when I call my daddy.
No, you could call him later. Okay? Let's go back to the car.
I didn't do it. No. What the? I didn't do anything.
Oh, okay, then we're going to walk over.
Well, you're eating the out of me like I'm.
Because you're resisting. I got to hold on to you. I want you to
When
follow
have
over.
I have given you my name, nothing out of jack shit. And you've been nothing but mean. You've been get off of me. Please stop.
I'm not trying to be a resistor.
I'm trying to. Please get your fucking hands off of me. No, get your fucking hands off of me, please.
I have to search you. You can't get in my car.
I have nothing.
I got you, but I have to.
I have nothing. Please, for the love of Christ. Ow. Please. I have nothing. God. I have nothing. Please, for the Christ of me, let me have some sort of fucking dignity.
Okay.
Get off. Can you get off?
You need to take a seat.
Oh my God. What is this fucking disrespect? I
You
can't
need
wait
to
to
take a seat
sue
in
the
the car.
fuck out of you
Thank
bitches.
you.
60K.
Hello, how's it going?
It's going okay.
Yeah.
She almost hit me.
Okay.
And
Oh, another person. Wow.
I didn't know what to do. I swerved to the left. And
Yeah.
I went right. She's on the next one between us.
Okay.
I saw her.
Okay.
She said where she was driving. I can tell you.
She said somewhere over in Satellite Beach. I'm now requesting that you submit to an approved chemical test of your breath. alcoholic content in the breath. If you refuse to submit to these tests, these admissible into evidence of any criminal. You understand what I just explained to you? Will you submit to a breath test? Just you. Will you submit to a breath test?
Just me?
Yeah. Pretty soon.
Well, I'm not.
It's a yes or a no. Are you willing to submit to a breath test?
What?
To determine how much you've been drinking? For you. Just us. Yeah, are you willing to submit to a breath test? It's a yes or a no. Anything other than a yes or a no, I'm just going to take it as a no. Okay.
I'm not.
That's okay. Double refusal, please.
That's
Wow. Open containers of alcohol in the car. She should be lucky that she's alive to have that argument with that officer. It looks like her airbags went off. Obviously, you just saw that. You know, she thought initially she was playing chess with these guys and she thought that she was keeping up with them when she was actually playing mop bucket. Like she had no clue what she was talking about. She was a little not from this earth. And the medical people were rightfully concerned, and that's why they wanted her to sign that paper. Like, either you're gonna go to the hospital or you're gonna sign a piece of paper that says that you don't need to. She was charged with DUI property damage, felony battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, and leaving the scene. The prosecutor later dropped the felony and the DUI entirely. That's because she pled to no contest to resisting and leaving the scene and reckless driving involving alcohol, which means she's essentially guilty on all three of those. She got 6 months of probation and 50 hours of community service. She got a mandatory DUI school that she had to attend, a complete prohibition on alcohol. And those total fines came to $891.50. That call to daddy was not tax deductible. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed here, but if you want an even deeper dive into true crime cases from the first call to the final verdict, check out my other channel. It's called The Comm Center. Every good true crime story starts with a 911 call, and my partner John is an active 911 dispatcher. We'll take you on a journey of today's most popular cases with our insider perspective. Speaking of insider perspective, if you thought this was an entitled little girl, wait till you see this one.